This Hollywood, Alabama home is worth the...
Take a drive where the quiet roads wind, rolling hills and open skies you'll find. Sit out on the porch as the evening falls. Peace and country charm surround it all.
This is the place where your heart feels free. Wide open views and room to dream.
A spacious home with love to share,
An updated kitchen
and comfort everywhere.
A workshop big enough for every plan.
The country life
You've always imagined.
just a short drive from Chattanooga's
Lights come home to peace every single night.
If you've been searching for your own escape,
This Hollywood,